Good morning, students. Now, yesterday I had told you in short who was Gulliver, how he was fastened to the ground, from where he was coming, वो कहाँ से आ रहे थे, by what he was coming, not by car, aeroplane or anything, he was coming by ship. His ship wrecked, ship broke, damaged, and then he swam to the shore, not to the shore, on one of the island which he found in the middle, and there he was caught by these men. And he was tied up. You know, I told you there was a small island in which very few people were staying, and the people were of very different type. Not like us. Only 6 inches. 6 inches means a ruler, small ruler. And Gulliver was huge man, as you see in the photo on page number 5. If you have a book, otherwise I have sent you the photo of the page number 5. And he was caught. He was not able to move. Since he was tied up from all the sides, he was not able to move a bit. Now let's see what happens. Some lines are on page number 5. I lay all this side as the reader may believe, in a great uneasiness. When I was tied up, fastened up to the ground, it was very uneasy for me that I could not move. Even the one who is reading this story will understand, if a person is fastened to the ground, how uneasy he will feel. At last struggling to get loose, trying to get loose, because I tie you, you are in my class. I take a rope and I tie your hands and legs. What will you do? You will struggle, you will make efforts to loosen yourself, to untie yourself. Correct? So Gulliver says he was fortunate enough to break the strings and pulled out the pegs that fastened my left arm to the ground. Now see, he was fortunate means he says that he was lucky. He was struggling. He was moving. He is moving his hand. He is moving his legs. हाथ पैर हिला रहा था. रस्सी से बांधा हुआ उससे ढीला होने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था. He was fortunate enough. He was very lucky that he broke strings and pulled out the pegs that was fastened his left arm to the ground. वो इतना भाग्यशाली था कि उसने कुछ कोशिश करके जो उसका लेफ्ट आर्म है, बाहु, हाथ, कोशिश करके एक बाजू उसने ढीली कर ली. जो रस्सियां उसके दाएं हाथ पर लगाई हुई थी वो उसने ढीली कर दी, और जो कुछ कीले जमीन में गड़े थे रस्सी के साथ उसको भी उसने हटा दिया. He pulled out the pegs, means the nails, which was tied to his left hand, the strings. He struggled, he pulled, struggled, pulled his hand up and down, and he was succeeded in breaking the strings of his left arm, of the left hand, which was fastened to the ground. With a strong pull, which gave me a great pain. What Gulliver is saying, it was fastened so hard, इतना पक्का बांधा हुआ था, so I had to give a strong pull. धीरे से ऊपर उठाने से, धीरे से हिलाने से वो रस्सी छूटने वाली नहीं थी. Slowly moving slowly hand, the strings would have not broken. He gave a strong pull, जोर से झटका दिया. He gave a strong pull, and it gave a great pain to Gulliver. I loosened a little string that tied down my hair on the left side, so that I was just able to turn my head about 2 inches. Now what Gulliver is saying, I loosened the little strings that tied down my hair on the left side. उसके जो रस्सियां थी, which was tied down with his hair on the left side. उसके जो बाल थे लेफ्ट साइड में, दाएं बाजू में जो रस्सियां बांधी थी, उसने धीरे से कोशिश करके उसको ढीली कर दी, so that I was just able to turn my head about 2 inches. So Gulliver was only able to move 2 inches. Though he untied the strings from his left side of the head, which was tied to the ground, he broke the string, but other strings were so tied up so hard that he was able to move his head just for 2 inches. Now you imagine 2 inches means nothing. But the little man ran off second time before I could catch them. और you know, I told you, मैंने बताया था वो छोटे छोटे लोग उसके आंख पर चढ़े हुए थे, कुछ नीचे गिरे थे, बाद में उसके पास में आ गए. जब उसने उसके लेफ्ट साइड का बालों को ढीला कर दिया, 2 इंच मुंडी उठा सका, उसने जैसी मुंडी उठाई, ये सब लोग वहाँ से भाग गए और गलीवर उनको पकड़ नहीं सका. There was a great cry when that happened, and after it had finished, I heard one of them cry aloud, "Tologo phonak." उसके बाद क्या हुआ, वापस उसको जोर से आवाज सुनाई दी. लिलीपुट के भाषा में वो जोर से चिल्लाने लगे, "तोलोगो पैनिक Ponak, sorry, Tologo Panak means you must suppose this is the thing. They were saying that we have to run. Actually, this meaning is not given. सही में ये meaning ऐसा बताया नहीं है. But we can suppose when this person, Gulliver, looked at them, they ran away and they shouted, "Tologo Panak." Means be ready to save our life, be ready to run. In an instant I felt hundreds of hit my left hand, which pricked me like so many needles. Within that time, what happened? They again picked up their bow and arrow and started hitting him. And the arrows pricked him on his left hand as if the needles are pricking. You know, सुई जैसी हमको चुभती है, तो वो बहुत से लोग थे. एक बार समझो 20-25 एरो उसके लेफ्ट हैंड में घुस गए होंगे. तो गलीवर कहता है कि वो एरोज मुझे ऐसे लगे जैसे कोई मेरे हाथ में सुइयां घुस रही है. एज इफ नीडल्स आर प्रिकिंग मी. नीडल्स आर प्रिकिंग मी यानी नीडल्स टोच रहे. 10, 15, 20, 50 लोग थे. They were nearly 30, 40, 50 people. All at a time they started hitting the arrow which pierced, जो इसके लेफ्ट हैंड में घुसने लगे, which pierced in his left hand, and he felt that as if needles, needle बोल तो सुई जिससे हम लोग बटन सिलाते हैं, कुछ से फटा हुआ सिलाते हैं, वो नीडल अपने हाथ में थोड़ा सा टोचने से खून आता है, मगर इसके हाथ में कई एरोज घुस गए. Many arrows pierced him, many arrows were hit him, and he felt that it is like needles pricking him. Beside, other arrows went into the air, falling on my body and some of them on my face, which I immediately covered with my left hand. What had happened? He has loosened his left hand. उसने उसका left hand ढीला किया था. Many arrows went flying on his head. They were falling on his body. They were falling on the face. But what did Gulliver do? He covered his face with his left hand. Left hand थोड़ा खुल गया था, उससे उसने अपना मुंह ढक लिया. I was in great pain and tried to get loose. मैं बहुत दर्द में था. मुझे अरे छोटी सुई चुभ जाती है तो हमको कितना दर्द होता है. Little needle pricks you, or by mistake something hurts you, blood comes out, you have lot of pain. But here, so many arrows were being hit to him, so many arrows were pierced on his left hand, on his body, he was in great pain. But Gulliver tried to get loose, means he wanted to untie himself. They attacked me again with arrows and spears. वापस उन्होंने बाण से उनके पास जो भी उसको मारने का साहित्य था. Arrows and spears means you know भाला. हाँ, भाला. Spears means भाला. उससे उन्होंने उसको खूब मारा. Luckily, I had on me a leather coat which protected me. यानी उसके पास एक लेदर कोट था. हम पिक्चर में भी देख रहे. It protected me. जो भी भाले बाण जो भी कुछ वो उसको मारते थे, whatever bow and arrow, spears, they were hitting him. It was going and hitting the leather coat. So Gulliver was saved.